On December 24, 2024, a snowstorm struck Abruzzo, Italy, plunging the region into chaos and danger. The southern and central Apennines found themselves at the heart of the storm as Arctic cold air brought catastrophic snowfalls. Local residents and rescue teams are battling inhuman conditions, trying to survive and save those trapped in the icy grip of the storm. A particularly dramatic situation has unfolded at a dormitory where 19 people, including 11 Alpine rescuers, are now stranded with no way out. The storm mercilessly buried their paths, cutting off access to safety. Time is running out, and the temperature continues to plummet. The cyclonic vortex moving in from the north carries massive amounts of snow, as if the sky has cracked open, releasing an endless torrent of white fury. Over the past 24 hours, Meteosat 12 recorded an aerosol transport of a fierce mistral from France, further worsening the situation. The wind is raging, sweeping everything in its path, adding to the danger as visibility shrinks to near nothing.
San Giovanni di Querciola. Continua la nevicata.
In L'Aquila and Teramo, the situation is becoming increasingly threatening. Roads are impassable, and power grids are on the verge of collapse. Local authorities are urging people to stay indoors, but for many, that's no longer an option. They are isolated, trapped by the blizzard. Meanwhile, rescue teams are desperately trying to break through to those in need. The situation worsens by the hour. The snowstorm shows no signs of stopping, and forecasts predict further deterioration of weather conditions. Whether everyone will be able to escape this icy prison remains a big question. Abruzzo is currently living in a state of emergency.
Thank you all for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. My team and I work hard for you, analyzing all weather-related events so you are always up to date with the latest news.